Sahasra and Elena.
My name is Elena Huang.
We're in 6th grade and we go to Deerfield Elementary in Irvine, California. The environmental problem we want to solve through engineering is our polluted beaches. Our robot is a robot that can scoop up sand and trash and filter the two out, leaving the trash to fall to the trash can at the back of the robot. What we did to improve our product was beams and worm gear for torque, and the Bluetooth remote, so you could control the robot from anywhere, you don't have to follow it around everywhere. Our equipment was a laser cutter to cut the balsa wood and the cardboard, and a saw to also cut the balsa wood, and a hot glue gun, Lego motors, Lego pieces, and wheels.
Some observations we made about a robot was that the shovel couldn't hold very much weight, approximately 1.5 pounds. Some solutions to this problem could be a better shovel design or stronger motors. The next steps based off our experiments could be adding sensors, motion sensors to our robot to prevent any small animals from being harmed. Some people that might be interested in our findings would be government agencies that specialize in protecting the environment, such as the EPA.
The remote is connected to an EV3, which is underneath the ramp. It's connected to Bluetooth, and it controls the entire robot. For example, it goes forward, backward, left, and right. It also controls the shovel, making the shovel go up, making the shovel go down.
The robot works by scooping up sand through the shovel and throwing it into the ramp, which can sift out the sand into the second ramp, letting it slide up the side of the robot. The rest of the trash would fall into the trash can, which is easily removable by this back door.
There are 3 EV3s. One's a remote control, one's a master, and another one's just connected by daisy chain.
A daisy chain is an extension of an EV3 that can allow it to control more motors at once. One EV3 can only control 4 motors, but we have 6 motors on this robot. There are 2 programs in this beach cleaner robot. One of them is for the Bluetooth remote control, and the other one is for the shovels and the wheels.
Thank you for watching.
We hope you enjoyed the project.